ठीक है।
तो आपको मेरी स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है ना?
यस यस।
देखो मैं आपको रिलेशनशिप सी देयर इज अ 4 टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, one to many, one to one, many to one, and many to many also. Many to many is used, suppose let me share you with example, like suppose you have one a sales table with suppose country wise, and you have a sales table with a different country wise. Suppose you have a two types of sales. One is for your suppose you have used a subsidiary company, okay, in which you are working. Suppose your main company is in Australia and your subsidiary company is Germany, okay. So you have two types of sales table. One is for Germany and one is for Australia. So when you connected the two types of fact table, then you using the many to many. Okay, so means
ओके।
Australia table is connected with the Germany table, and suppose all these tables, sales table as well as Germany table as well as Australia table, you have something a common value, something a common value related to this. Then you have to connect with the many to many relationship. I will connect with you relationship many to many in future, but right now actually many to many is used of once or twice in just a procedure, because mostly use a one to many as well as one to one only. These two relationship is used mostly, many to one, one to many, and one to one. Many to many is used very rarely. Okay, so now we are using now we are making some of the visualization over it. Okay, and now today I will tell you that how to making a complete visualization, and after that we are making the as well as the publish on the Power BI service as well as. Okay, so now we are done with suppose we have all things related to this. So now we are done with some of the cards or some of the relationship related to graph or chart. So let me try. See, the first relationship we have, the visualization we have is a text box. So because text heading is a very main under the every scenario. Okay, so you have to write it here as a sales dashboard 2016 to 2000. Control and change the font from here as well as change the size, bold, color. You can change it from here if you need to change the anything color like it to. See, black is okay. And now today we are going to discuss about, see, there is a formatting of this visualization. First is journal. Okay, the changes the position title if you need any title of this, because we don't need a title here. Color, you have to use this color as well as you can also use a light color as well as. Okay, and change the transparency if you need to lower, then change the transparency, border and shadow. See, your sales dashboard heading is over. Now we have to connect a two or three cards card, and the first card we have a total sales. So sales price, not total sales. Okay, so your total sales is 58 million. So before that total sales, we have to connect it here and change the formatting of the currency as well as the English United States. Okay, and decimal is already zero. Total cost we have changed the currency English United States, and the gross profit margin we have changed the United States. From the next weekend, okay, from the next weekend, we are discussing about the relations full project. Like we have a one project related to like in Word file we have a query. Okay, so under this query, for this query, we have to solve the all the project over there. So from the next weekend, we are using this kind of data. Okay, so now we are using the total sales. Let me do it. Here is okay. Okay. So now where is this kind of Power BI is a total sales is written, and now you can use the font color as black, background color as as well as what you choose is yellow alignment, and change the font as well as if you need font size. Okay, and font format you please do the same as well as all. Then one shoulder, let's see the total sales written down below, so you can use the category of. So your total sales is ready, and with the same you have to copy this and paste. So now we have to use under this total sales field, we are using a total cost field. Okay, see the formatting is automatically done. And now under the cost sales field, we have used a gross profit. See, 58 million is a total sales. Total, you have to only just change the name of this total cost. Okay, and now the total sales value under this is total gross profit. So now tell me, it's okay. Gross profit, total cost, and yeah, now it's done. Total sales, total cost, and total gross profit. Otherwise, you can also change the name of this if you need to change total. So you can, here is a gross profit. So now we have a one more thing here like sales and by chain as well as by uh, state and chain. Okay, so now we are using one of the graph is here, and suppose now we use a total sales, and under the axis we have a chain, and one more thing we have a
So हर्ष जो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट का जो वैल्यू है
yes.
वो इट्स करेक्ट है वैल्यू.
Yeah, what it is a correct, because see why it is a you 58 minus 33 is called a 25 billion. Okay, but when you formatting your data into decimal, into without decimal, yet your data is correct, because see when
ओके ओके गॉट योर पॉइंट. ये राउंड फिगर पे आया हुआ है.
yeah, that is the reason it shows a 24 million, because it's not as a 24, because sometimes we have to show only just a gross profit, no need to show any
यस.
sales or cost. Okay, but I just
ओके.
say show you the sales, so that is the reason. Okay,
ओके. ये थोड़ा और भी बेटर होगा ये, जैसे टोटल कॉस्ट हम पहले रखें देन सेल्स रखें देन ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, राइट?
या
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 फिर
जैसे जैसे मर्जी
है ना?
आप रख सकते हो, बट वो आपका रखने
हाँ.
का तरीका है, ठीक है. बट
ओके
यस,
ओके
आई विल टेल यू ओनली द like part of this kind of relationship.
ओके
Okay,
ओके. यस श्योर.
so now we have a total sales by chain. There is a sales data is a postal code by a postal code. Just give me a second.
सो हर्ष इट्स आल्सो बिहेव लाइक अ क्वेरी, राइट?
Yeah,
जो हम कनेक्शंस, राइट?
yeah, it's the same as a query.
क्वेरी ना, ये
Yeah,
क्वेरी की तरह हुआ ना. और डेटा फिर एक्सट्रैक्ट भी हो सकता है इस तरीके से,
yeah, right.
है ना? ओके. सॉरी, मेरी आवाज खराब हो गई है अभी।
नहीं नहीं, कोई कोई इशू नहीं है, जस्ट अ मिनट।
श्योर।
जस्ट होल्ड फॉर। Hello? Yeah, listening me? So under the
यस
sales
सर।
table, I think we have used data category. See, the postcode we have used, but the postal code we are not done with the sales table. So that is the reason to not connect it with the relationship. Now see, the relationship is connected, all done. And now when you're making the relationship under this, it's a chain, and when we connect, it's a chain wise data and connect with the postcode wise data for this table or for this visualization. State wise data. Okay, so now your data is one of the ready as a things, chain, state, and chain. Otherwise there is a many more example in this one. Which graph we are using? This. See here we have a used for a sales by state. Okay, so you have to use
बोल
the
दो, गुड
this
मॉर्निंग बोल
kind
दो।
of, yeah, so this kind of data we have to use as a category wise. Suppose you have to choose the data color is a common like yellow or the dark yellow as well as, okay, and also you can use the border and shadow also data label. You can switch on the data label because your data label is shown is here 21 million, 14 million, and as well as you can use the formatting for this, like color is used for black. Okay, and text size if you want to change, see it's increasing 11. And now show background of, see that this kind of changes you have to done 21, 14, this kind of is a background. And background color if you want, so you can choose this color and make the transparency over, see, like this. Okay, and also use the total state sales by state, so you can change the title as well as under this. So प्रमोद आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा? हेलो प्रमोद,
सर
आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं ये चीज?
सर ये तो समझ में आ रहा है
ओके,
जो आप कर रहे हैं, बट जो बीच वाली चीजें वो थोड़ी सा समझ में नहीं आ रही, मेरे को एक बार दोबारा से बता दें।
ठीक है, मैं आपको अभी दोबारा बताता हूँ, 1 मिनट रुको। इसके बाद हम इसका टाइटल की जगह टाइटल को
ये जो
change-
हम 1 to 1 कर रहे हैं और मैनी टू 1 कर रहे हैं सर, ये चीज दिमाग में नहीं घुसती है, कैसे क्या चीज है ये,
सर
हम क्यों
सिंपल
कर
तो
रहे
है,
हैं और इसलिए हो रहा है।
सिंपल तो है सर। अभी तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर हम दो डिम टेबल को कनेक्ट करेंगे तो हम 1 to 1 करेंगे। अगर हम दो
हाँ
फैक्ट
तो
टेबल और
हाँ
डिम टेबल
ठीक
को
है।
कनेक्ट करेंगे तो हम आपका मैनी टू 1 करेंगे या 1 to मैनी करेंगे, सिंपल। उसमें मेरे
अच्छा
को नहीं लगता इतना सोचना चाहिए, बिकॉज जब हम दो डिम टेबल को कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमें उसके अंदर 1 to 1 ही चाहिए, बिकॉज डिम टेबल के अंदर हमेशा यूनिक वैल्यू होती है, उसके अंदर आप लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वैल्यू नहीं ला सकते, इसलिए हम दो डिम टेबल कनेक्ट करते टाइम हम 1 to 1 रिलेशनशिप करते हैं। बट जब आपकी फैक्ट टेबल और डिम टेबल कनेक्ट होती है तब हम उसके अंदर आपको मैनी टू वन या 1 to मैनी रिलेशनशिप होता है।
अच्छा,
ठीक है,
उसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है हमारे इसमें, जिससे हम विजुअलाइजेशन जो बना रहे हैं सर उसमें?
मैंने बताया तो सही, ये देखो ना, आप ध्यान से देखो, मैनेजर टेबल अगर रीजन टेबल से कनेक्ट है तो हम रीजन टेबल को सेल से
हाँ,
कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते फिर, ठीक है,
नहीं कर सकते
मैनेजर
हैं।
और रीजन इससे कनेक्ट है तो हम डायरेक्ट मैनेजर को कनेक्ट कर देंगे, तो ये टेबल ऑटोमेटिकली इससे कनेक्ट हो गई है। अब देखो आपके सामने
हम्म,
हमने ये बनाया है पोस्टल, ये वाला विजुअलाइजेशन बनाया है जो सेल्स बाय स्टेट। अब हमने देखो स्टेट कहाँ से लिया है, स्टेट तो हमने यहीं से लिया है ना, इसमें तो
यस
कहीं
यस यस,
स्टेट है नहीं, इसमें भी कहीं
रीजन,
स्टेट
इसमें
हमने
इसमें भी
यहीं
नहीं
से
है
लिया है, इसीलिए ये टेबल इसके साथ
रीजन।
कनेक्ट हो गई है। क्लियर है अब?
जी जी।
Okay. And one more thing, here is a date column. So under the sales table, we have a date. Okay. So date column we have a don't summarize, but category we have uncategory. Okay. And date table is a data type date. Okay, no worry. Sales by state is okay. Now we are using one more example, copy and paste. For this, we have used sales by quarter as well as a country. Support date, we have, see there is a state wise and the date wise sales 2016 and 2017, and now we have used the financial quarter. Move down, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 total, and it's a month wise sales. If you see the financial quarter into the legend, but one more thing, when you use see this kind of sales is over there, state quarter wise sales, next month wise sales, second one sales, and third one is a state wise sales. See, sorry, month wise sales. So you are using a date wise sales is here. Data table is a sales wise. Just a minute, just hold on. हेलो, सॉरी, जस्ट अ मिनट, एक थोड़ा सा काम आ गया था, ठीक है। So now it's a sales by state is there, year wise sales, okay, oh sorry, month wise sales, and it's a total month for Jan as well as sales, okay. And now we are using one more thing like category wise sales, okay. So you are using simple things, copy and paste. So now we are using a category wise sales, then state is over, and category wise sales, see men's shoes, junior, home, these kind of sales we have a data, sales by category. Now we have to use Can you hear me all? Pramod or Jasraj? सुन पा रहे हो?
Yes.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So now we have a sales by category here, and we have to use the title sales by category. Okay, and the one more thing we have using this one, copy and paste. This time we are using not as a category, we are using a total sales. No, we are using a gross profit margin and by state. See, state-wise gross profit margin. Okay, so now we are using this title gross profit margin, and under this we are using one conditional formatting. Okay, data color for opening this color. See, the sum of gross field, sum of gross profit margin, sum as a 0. See, higher the profit, higher the color, and lower the profit, the lower the margin. Okay, so you can also use this different color as well as, see, lowest color. Suppose if you want to use a red, red, and highest value if you want to use a green. If you want to use a green, and click on OK. See, the lower the profit and higher the profit as per your gross profit margin. So these kind of data or this kind of analysis we are using in a company as well as, and sales by category also we have this kind of chart as well as forex, and the lowest value means the custom, enter the value. Suppose we have used right now, we are using a lowest value. Okay, so lowest value we are using the green, no, red, and highest value we are using green as well as, or other kind you can choose as well as. Suppose lower value you can choose this one, and highest value you can use this one. See, lower and higher as well as sales by category. So this kind of visualization you have to ready all the time, otherwise there is a many more relationship, many more things you can do. But yes, I can share the file with you and you can maintain as per your requirement. That suppose we need a like top 5 category or top 3 category, top 3 category by gross profit. Okay, we need a top 3 top 5 state by higher sales. We need a top year wise sales, or year total is 2 year. Okay, so suppose we need a total higher quarter wise sales. Okay, so this kind of reason we have to maintain over there. So you can maintain or you can search over there that how to maintain this kind of visualization. And if you have any doubt related to any visualization, you can directly contact me over call for 5 or 6 minutes. Then I will let you know that what are the main two reasons for this. Now we our sales dashboard is ready, and now we have to maintain a sales dashboard published into the Power BI. Okay, so now we are using the publishes. Do you want to save? Yes, we have saved this file. Okay, so before publish your data, first you need to save this file, and you can make the changes every time over it files. Okay, so now how to change this file? It's taking some time getting to publish into the Power BI Pro, because right now I have access for Power BI Pro as well as. Okay, so now we are using a publish, and see, it will ask me to email ID. So now I put my email ID, because when you're working in a email ID, then you have an email ID with the, now I have email ID for Deloitte. So continue. it will ask me to connect email ID and the password. And the sign in. Now see, select a destination. So I use a My Workspace and select. See, it will automatically publish into my Power BI service dashboard. And I will see you in just a second. When you click say success, and it's opening an open session for into see, it automatically load into the directly into Power BI. First, it's a web version. Okay, so Power BI Pro is a web version. So now click on this link. Let me just open it. I think the code is there. Just a minute. See, our dashboard is ready into the Power BI, and you can automatically change this report or share this report to your manager. See, share and see the enter the name. Suppose my manager name is something different like Harsh Malhotra. You can write it over ID directly. Harsh Malhotra @2018. It is Harsh Malhotra 2018 one or more email address with a foreign domain is outside. So it's the outside email so that it cannot, you can directly click on copy link, outlet team, you can send it over here, anything you can send it over here. Or also you can add it over there as well as. Suppose if you want to edit your visualization into the Power BI, so you can also edit this visualization and share it with your data. And see, it's a app version, it's a Power BI server version. So I can directly log in this version at any time in my phone, also in my laptop, or suppose if I don't have any desktop version. Okay, so directly I can load it to there. Suppose next class I will give you a teaching on the Power BI Pro as well as. So how to create a report into the Power BI. Okay, data set. Suppose if we have a data set, relations 4 data set is here. Okay, so we can directly share this data set or as well as analyze in Excel, download the PVX file, chat in team, as well as we are doing the chat in team on the basis of this channel or this visualization as well as. Okay, so my workspace, there is a not any workspace now. So this kind of visualization we are going to ready. Okay, so these are the Power BI Pro schedule. Now you understand.
Hers it means that कि पहले we need to first create that that relationship, right? Go to the like that query page, और उसे क्या कहेंगे, उस पेज को क्या कहेंगे जो अभी आपने रिलेशन यहाँ क्रिएट.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन query.
ओके ओके, आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, अच्छा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पेज पे जाना एक बार आप, जो यहाँ पे है ना लेफ्ट हैंड पे थर्ड वन, लेफ्ट हैंड पे था ना.
This is also a transformation. Okay. Just a minute. This one.
Yes.
Yeah, this
So
one is a relationship.
So first of all we need to create this one, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, and then after that we need to go to that visualization or
See,
जो भी हम
visualization is a very end part. Before that you are making the table presentation. Okay, after that you're making the visualization, and if you need any measure, okay, next measure like sum, calculation, minimum, this kind of year to date, month to date, I will tell you in future, so don't worry about that any type of relationship. But visualization, you can just remember, visualization is a very last part.
हाँ, लेकिन सबसे पहले तो हमें हर्ष we need to understand this transformation, जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का जो इंटरलिंक है, ये थर्ड वन पे आप आना एक बार नीचे, थर्ड वन ये जो हाँ ये इस पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन, राइट? विजुअलाइजेशन तो वो तो है, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ पेंटिंग, राइट?
Yeah, right.
है ना, जैसे हम पेंटिंग करते हैं ना कि हमें कैसे बनाना है, वो तो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, वो तो है
Right.
ही। उस पे भी वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज एंड रिजल्ट तो वही शो करता है, बट बिफोर
Right.
दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन, राइट?
Yeah,
है ना,
and this
कि
one is the
ये रिलेट।
same. This one is the same. Like I told you today class, that total is
ओके।
4 type of relationship, and I have
हम्म
covered all the relationship just except many to many, because many to
हम्म
many is using a rarely. Okay,
हम्म
so
हम्म
many to
हम्म
one to one, and one to many. These only are 4 types of relationship. But you need to
हम्म
just remember that those table in which
हम्म
you are connected, the large table or small table. Okay,
हम्म
if you connected
हम्म
with the large table to small, then many to one. If you connected to one small to large, it's a
हम्म
one to many. And the main thing is thing that main one common word is one common table, one common column is there on the board table, whether it's a dim table or whether it's a fact table.
अच्छा।
Okay, yeah, so that is the main reason. You have to remember every time that you have to use the postcode with every time, and in the suppose
एक बार
postcode.
डीम टेबल, डीम टेबल और फैक्ट टेबल जो है, एक बार क्विकली आप एक बार ये रिएटरेट कर दोगे?
सर देखिए, dim table is a table in which we have a unique number of items. Okay,
हम्म
suppose you are working in a country like Australia and you are doing with the sales team. Okay, you are done with the sales team, and sales
हम्म,
team has a number of transaction in a day. Okay, but sales
ओके
team number of transaction in a day, but in a Australia na, so in Australia is a country and Australia state is a dim table. Means when you doing the sales in Australia only, means Australia is a country and Australia state is a dim table, means the state is a common. And state, suppose in Australia there is a 20 state. Okay, in Australia there is a 20 state, that 20 is a unique number of item. But in the your sales table, one state is doing multiple times sales. Suppose in Australia we have a one state in which we have a 1000 of sales, in which we have a 1000 of sales, then 1000 of sales is connected with the only just one state. Like in this visualization, see, sales by state means NSW is a state, and there is a reason, because state is common but the value is higher. Because value is why is higher, because we have a lot of transaction under this state, lot of transaction under this state, and lot of transaction in this state. Like I will tell you an example. See, the postal code is 2560. So when I click the postal code, suppose 800, and okay. See, 800 postal code is for which we any country. Okay, no worry. Any country. Which country I will let you know. Which country? Reason wise go. 800 postal code is for. Let me open. See, 800 postal code is for Darwin, NT. Okay. So when you go to the here in the visualization, NT. So 800 postal code, here we have 1.2 million sales. Means the total number of sales in the NT is a large number of sales. Okay, but NT is just a one common word, one just a unique word. So dim table is a unique table and fact table is a number of transaction for that unique table or for unique country. Okay, now understand or more thing, because see, under the postal code 800 we have a multiple transaction: Jan, March, September, March, Jan, June, February, August, March, June, this kind of data. Tell me. See, we
ओके
have
ओके
a 1074 transaction, and when you click over there is a total number of transaction is 1.2 million. 107 is the amount value. Okay, it's the amount value. But when we click on the sales, the total number of transaction is 1074. And when you click on all the total sales, when you add, the total sales value is 1.2 million. Okay,
ओके
so
ओके
these are the relationship we have into the Power BI, and only the
ओके
four type of relationship: one to many to one, or one to many. This kind of relationship only. Okay.
ओके
Yeah.
ओके ओके
So
ओके
now, yes, maybe now I will share this file to you after that sometime. Okay. Then you can make the practice over there and see. Pramod is always done a practice and send it to me every time. but no one else can send it to me. So I know, yeah, please make a practice over it, because without making a practice, you cannot learn a Power BI. Just a simple thing.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Okay. So
okay.
whether you will take a two years classes, if you don't making a practice, you cannot learn a Power BI. Just a simple thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, Pramod, anything?
तो नो सर मैं कह रहा था कि जो जसराज सर हैं, जसराज
हम्म,
जी, तो उनका नंबर मिल सकता है सर एक कन्वर्सेशन के लिए,
किसके
जैसे
लिए?
कि वो कुछ उनसे मतलब बात करने के लिए मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो क्या मैं उनसे ही पूछ सकूं या फिर कुछ
अरे
ऐसा?
मैं हूं ना बताने के लिए, क्या इशू है बताओ। मैं हूं तो, बताओ क्या इशू है। उनसे
बस
देखो
सर
भाई,
जैसे कुछ
देखो वो खुद नए हैं, आप भी नए हो, अगर आप उनसे ही पूछोगे तो आपको भी समझ में कम आएगा, उनको भी डाउट हो जाएगा। आप मुझसे पूछो ना जो पूछना है, बताओ। फोन कर लेना मुझे, फोन पे पूछ लेना कोई इशू हो तो, ठीक है। नहीं तो अभी पूछ लो, बताओ क्या इशू है, आप मुझे बताओ तो सही। देखो मैंने आपको इतने स्मॉल, बिल्कुल मैं बहुत आराम से बता रहा हूँ, मैं इतना हार्ड भी नहीं भाई, मैं कितने आराम से बता रहा हूँ जसराज, मैं कितने आराम से बता रहा हूँ। मुझे लगता नहीं है कि समझ में नहीं आना चाहिए, बस आपका ना आज मेरे को लगता है ध्यान कम है, मतलब इससे पहले तो आप रोज समझते हो और आपको समझ भी आता है, आप बना भी रहे हो चार्ट जो है।
हाँ सर वो तो है।
तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, थोड़ा सा ना मेरे को लगता है आपने जो काम वाम कर रहे हो ना उसमें थोड़ा सा बिजी है। बाकी ये मीटिंग भी अब ओवर होने वाली है 1 मिनट में। सो अब हम कल की क्लास में कनेक्ट करते हैं, कल ना समझ में आए तो मुझे बताना, ठीक। और आप मुझे फोन कर लेना थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
ये नंबर प्लीज सेंड मी योर नंबर।
मेरा नंबर है तो आपके पास।
एक
ठीक है, मुझे ना कॉल कर लेना आप थोड़ी देर में, तब हम मीटिंग को करते हैं भाई एंड, ठीक है। एंड मिलते हैं कल की क्लास में, तो कल भी सेम टाइम पे आज, ठीक है।
Okay, sure.
ठीक है भाई, चलो, ओके बाय।
ओके
Okay, bye bye.
ओके बाय बाय बाय।